That's where it starts. I found your voice inside the noise, a broken track, a faded choice, dust on dreams we never played, but I still hear you in the haze. Static hearts, we skip the beat, running wild on broken streets. Turn it up, don't let it go. If it's dying, I don't wanna know. Spin me loud, don't slow down. Crash the needle, break the sound. We were fire, we were gold. Play me back before I fall. Spin me loud, one more time. Let it burn, let it shine. If we're lost, I don't care. Play me like you're still there. Your echo stuck inside my head, like words we scream but never said. A looping lie, a reckless truth. I lost myself somewhere in you. Crack the silence, feel the pain. Drop the needle once again. If we fade into the night, turn it louder, make it right. Spin me loud, don't slow down. Crash the needle, break the sound. We were fire, we were gold. Play me back before I fold. Don't stop, don't stop. If it breaks, we let it break. If it burns, we let it stay. Hey, hey, this is not the end. Spin me loud, don't slow down. Crush the needle, break the sound. We were fire, we were gold. Play me back before I fall. Yeah. You hear that static? Bounce! Woo! Hey! 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 Ah! We talking static, gotta sync. You say too much, I barely think. Frequencies that never land, but I still try to understand. Your voice is cutting through the air, like broken signals everywhere. I try to tune but lose the line. Somehow you're still crossing mine. Lost in ways we can't control. White noise running through my soul. Turn it up or let it die. I can't leave, I don't know why. Broken radio, still alive. Can't turn you off, I don't know why. Loud and low, you come and go, but I still hear you in the noise. Broken radio in my head, every word we never said. Cut the signal, let it go, but I still hear you in the noise. Hey! Signal lost, but I remain dancing through electric pain. Every glitch and every spark leaves a shadow in the dark. You're a rhythm out of place, echoes I cannot erase. Every silence feels too loud, screaming through an empty crowd. Static pulling me inside, no more truth and no more lies. If it fades, I'll let it fade, but your ghost won't go away. Broken radio, still alive, can't turn you off, I don't know why. Loud and low, you come and go, but I still hear you in the noise. Turn the dial, it's all the same. Different voices, same old pain. Hey! Hey! Can you hear me now? don't shut it down. In the noise, still hear you. In the noise. Running circles in my head, every word we left unsaid. Static creeping through my veins, mixing pleasure into pain. If I lose you in the sound, I'll just turn it louder now. Feel it shaking in my chest, no more silence, no more rest. If you're fading, pull me through, I don't wanna lose you. Scream my name through the feedback, even if it hurts, I need that loud enough to break the night. Tear the darkness into light. Louder, louder, don't let go. Feel the static, let it show. Hey, hey, don't you fade away. Louder, louder, break the tone. I don't wanna be Don't touch the record. Let it burn. Love like fire, love like pain. We play the track again, again. Every word a loaded gun. Every fight we never won. You pull me close, then push away. A perfect mess we can't escape. We spin too fast, we lose control. A broken rhythm in my soul. Feel it rise and feel it break. Every risk we choose to take. Turn it up, don't hesitate. We're too far gone to separate. Burn a needle, let it break. Love like this, a sweet mistake. Crash the sound, don't repair. We were never meant to care. Burn the needle, watch it scream. makes it real. No more silence, no more lies. See the fire in your eyes. If it ends, we let it end. We won't fake it, won't pretend. Burn the needle, let it break. Love like this, a sweet mistake. Crash the sound, don't repair. We were never meant to care. Hey, 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 hey. Let it burn. Don't hold back. Feel the static, feel the crack. No turning, no way back. Scream it loud, watch it bleed. This is all we ever need. Burn the needle, watch it break. Every move another mistake. Louder now, don't rewind. Leave the ashes far behind. Burn the needle, set it free. What we are will never be. If it ends, let it bleed. We don't need no guarantee. Let it burn. Won't let it burn. We never did. We were never in control. Different beast inside one soul. You go fast, I fall behind. Lost between your heart and mine. Every word just slips away. Every night feels like replay. We collide, then fall apart. Static running through our hearts. Out of time and out of phase. Running circles in a maze. Turn it up or let it die. We keep trying, don't know why. Static hearts, we never sink. We fall apart, we never think. Out of time, out of place. We keep running, same mistake. Static hearts, can't rewind. You're not yours, I'm not mine. We break down, we restart. Static running through our hearts. Every signal If you're leaving, don't say it quiet. Say it once, don't say it slow. If you leave, just let me know. Don't dress it up in empty lines. Don't hide the truth between the signs. I see it fading in your eyes, quiet and behind the lies. We used to burn, we used to fight. Now we're just shadows in the night. Don't let silence take the blame. Don't pretend we're still the same. If it's ending, let it show. I don't wanna quiet, no. Say it louder than goodbye. Don't let this moment die. If it's over, let it break. Don't you fake it, don't delay. Say it louder, make it real. Let me know just how you feel. If we're done, don't you hide. Say it louder than goodbye. Every word you never said, running circles in my head. Every silence hits too hard, like a crack across the heart. We were fire, now we fade. Just a memory we replay. If you're leaving, don't be kind. Don't leave pieces left behind. Don't hold back, don't be afraid. Don't let this just slowly fade. If it hurts, then let it hurt. Truth is better than the blur. Say it louder than goodbye. Don't let this moment die. If it's over, let it break. Don't you fake it, don't delay. Don't you turn away. Say what you can't say. Louder, louder, let it out. Cut through all the fear and doubt. Say it louder than goodbye. Don't let this moment die. If it's over, let it break. Don't you fake it, don't delay. Say it louder one last time. Don't just leave me in between the lines. If we're done, don't you hide. Say it louder than goodbye. Say it louder. Don't leave it quiet. Erase it. Erase it. Lines are fading, worn away. Every word we tried to say, written down then torn apart, like a scar across the heart. Every touch turns into dust. Every promise breaks to rust. We was something, now we're not. Everything just left to rot. Cross it out, don't let it stay. Every memory decays. If it's broken, let it show. There's no saving what we know. Scratched out love won't replay. Every word just fades away. Cut it out, let it bleed. Nothing left for us to keep. Scratched out love, erased in time. Cross the line one last time. If it's dead, let it go. Write it down, then let scratch it out. Erase the line. Hey, hey, you're no longer mine. Hey, hey. Tear it down, watch it fall. We were never real at all. Scratched out love, black and pain. Write it down, erase again. Louder now, let it show. There's no way to fix this soul. Scratched out love, burn the page. Lock it down, cage the rage. If it's gone, let it bleed. Nothing left for us to keep. Erase it. Erase it. Gone. You never left. You're still here. You don't live here anymore, but I still hear you through the floor. Every step a distant sound, like your voice is all around. Dust is falling on the air, but I still feel you everywhere. Every corner, every room still echoes like a quiet tune. Fading slowly, but not gone, like a track still playing on. Turn it down, it won't disappear. You're still ringing in my ear. You're a vinyl ghost in my head, spinning words I never said. Round and round you replay every night and every day. Vinyl ghost can't let go, haunting me in every note. If you're gone, why are you still alive in everything I do? Every silence feels too loud, like you're hiding in the sound. Every breath I try to take feels like something I can't escape. You're a shadow in the tone, a memory I call my own. Even when I close my eyes, you're still playing in my mind. Crackle fading into light, still you linger in the night. If I stop, will you go, or just echo even more? You're a vinyl ghost in my head, spinning words I never said. Round and round you replay every night and every day. Hey, 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 I can hear you still. Hey, 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 and I always will. Whisper low, don't let go. You're the only sound I know. There's no silence left to take. Noise in my veins, I can't escape. Every breath a bigger shade. Louder now, I need the pain. Feel it rush through every vein. Noise in my veins, out of control. Static running through my soul. If I break, don't make it stop. Turn it up, don't ever drop. Every sound becomes a scream. Nothing's ever what it seems. I'm alive but feel erased. Like a glitch I can't replace. Falling deeper into sound. No more up and no more down. Every beat just pulls me in. Like a war I'll never win. Let it crash and let it burn. There's no lesson left to learn. If I lose myself tonight, at least I felt something right. Nose in my veins, I can't escape. Every breath a big shake. Louder now, I need the pain. Feel it rush through every vein. Turn it up, break the line. Lose control, lose your mind. Louder, louder, feel the drop. If it hurts, don't make it stop. Scream it, let it show. This is all I ever know. Nose in my veins, burning fast. Every second never lasts. Louder now, don't restrain. Let it run through every vein. Noise in my veins, set me free. This is what I'm meant to be. If I fall, don't let it stop. Turn it up, take me to the top. Still feel it in my veins. End of the record, or is it? And the record still the same. Different story, same old pain. Every line we tried to write fades away into the night. Spinning circles, going slow. Nowhere left for us to go, but I hear it start again, like it never reached the end. Fading out but still alive. Somehow we don't say goodbye. Every ending starts to bend back into the start again. Last track loop, we never end. Same old story again, again. Round and round we replay every word we didn't say. Last track loop, spinning slow. Can't escape, can't let go. If it stops, will it break or repeat the same escape? Every echo feels the same. Different voice but same old name. Every silence in between feels like something I have seen. We rewind